They said left just now. There's a group going right and there's a group going left. The left's the one with the VIP.
You're watching the lead on that thing. If it's forward. Make sure the medics are behind. Yeah, exactly.
Just stay well hidden.
I will, don't worry. I was doing it all of the last game as well. So.
You got the adjust down then.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Guys, we're already up here. Stand fast. There we go.
Got hit faster.
You're on the right side of the path, walking out. He's gone. Who was cheat call? You meant it? No, he said thank you. Just wondering, you know.
If you want, I'll cover you.
Making the fuck out of this before I hit. Left hand.
You're going to regret being a medic today, aren't you? That's why most of us say no, we don't want to be medic.
I was late. Where's Brad?
Penance.
That's true.
Stand by, mate.
Pardon?
Stand by.
What we got?
Mark down, I'm bringing him to you.
Roger that.
Oh, okay. I feel really, really short for you.
Pardon?
So I feel really short standing next to this.
I don't feel it.
As I say, at least you understand. Take it most of them are in there then.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a
There's Beard.
I was going to say, there's a mark. I don't know who it was then. Because they started over there, didn't they?
Oh, how's it going? Why, what's up? Fucking magazine. He dumped it up passion.
He's already thrown one and done the motorbike.
Ah, that was what was going. Right, okay.
That was him lobbing it. Well, at least he's a medic, so we can just run around like a headless chicken for the rest of the afternoon.
We're going straight down here? What, like I was doing all morning?
Yeah.
Hold.
Might want to keep on our way down there, right? Where am I going?
What?
Are you a medic? Tape!
There's 3 of them.
Medic. Sorry, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what's shooting that way? Is that us?
Down. I've been down, guys. They're right. Down. Are they on the right side? One down. That was a lot of rounds for one person. There's 3 of them going to come again.
There's someone right in front of us. Whoa!
No, because he wasn't taking it. Anyone who's going to be that stupid is going to get that amount of ammo.
Where's the what? I've no idea, mate.
Whew.
That was a control first. Yeah, short. It's a long control first.
It's not very nice sounding beer, mind. Right. I would...
I'll see them.
Hello!
Oh shit!
Straight that way.
How many is there? There's like 4 or 5 of them at least.
I'm actually pinned, lad. So I'm just getting to the window. Hey guys!
Do you want to go get the little munchkin? He just shouted hit.
Oh, Mary.
I wouldn't bother running past these windows just yet, as you can hear. I just poked my head out and shot a few rounds that way. If you come here, you can poke through there. You've got a better rate of fire than I do. And you can see like 2 or 3 of them at least. Yeah, that's true, but I have to go tippy toes to try and get the right angle around this stupid box. Whoa! That was close.
Grab him for me, will you?
Yep. Left hand, yeah? Right, I'll bring you over here.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, so many of them.
Well, they know where to sit, don't they? Oh, that's a good hole.
That one.
Yeah. That one. Whew.
That was close.
This hole is good.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah, good hole. Oh, they moved. No, there's only 1 of them or 2 of them at least in front of us now. Most of them have run to the right.
Let's see, there's a guy just through the gap. Yeah, see him?
No. Move on. This one. I'll just set it up. There's one moving to the left now. There's one who's going on to the left.
Dead man. Most like
Dead, is he?
the one in front of us. Yeah. Watch, you just dropped a mag.
Huh?
What do you get? Probably hit the mag release by accident. Cheers.
I'm directly behind you.
See you, Marina. It's great.
Phil, get behind the chopper. Get behind the chopper. Huh?
Take it the first time. I hit you with the chest ages ago when you were by the green.
I didn't feel it, I'm sorry. Also, it does take time to stop.
No need to shout at each other, everybody. I can't tell what team this goes on.
Sorry.
Okay, there he is.
Dad, I got one guy here.
They know where you're coming from now.
Yeah. Remember, I'm not left-handed, so
I'm left-handed, so ambidextrous. Well, you've always got the choice. There's barrels beer.
Red's across the road, I can see down here.
There's a good barrel set up for that without getting hit.
Oh.
Hit.
Get my hand. Yeah.
That worked pretty well.
Not you,
Just stand beer. I'm short enough to work.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Thank you. But yeah, if you're there.
Yeah, I'm going to go around that way instead of going that way.
Right. So what have we got left? Or should they? Who have we got left? Mate, can you see him? He's in the bushes, 12 o'clock to you. Right. You've got the barrels, the furthest one's out, he's just where people are shooting at. They're moving up on the right in the woods. Really? Same fucking place, dude. I know, give me 2 men's. Ugh.